Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning, Miss. My name is Fani Rahmawati. My student ID number is 33210079. In this nice occasion, I made this video for final term test syntax. I am from class 33.68.01. And the topic I choose, there is deep structure and surface structure. There is have two parts. The part one is deep structure and surface structure, and part two is diagram tree. Next slide. The part two for part one is the topic one is deep structure. Deep structure in syntax is a concept from transformational generative grammar, a theory developed by Noam Chomsky. It represents the abstract underlying syntactic structure of a sentence, capturing its core grammatical relationship and meaning before any transformation are applied to produce the surface structure, which is the actual spoken or written form of the sentence. The next slide is key concept in deep structure syntax. The first is transformational grammar. Transformational grammar, this theory posits that sentences have multiple levels of representation. There is deep structure or D structure and surface structure or S structure. Transformation are rules that convert deep structures into surface structures. The second is deep structure or D structure. The deep structure captures the essential grammatical relations and hierarchical organization of a sentence. It reflects the core semantic meaning and is free from specific word order or syntactic variations. For example, in the sentence, the boy is reading a book. Deep structure would represent the subject, the boy, the verb reading, and the object, a book, in their fundamental grammatical roles. The third is surface structure or S structure. The surface structure is the actual form of the sentence as it is spoken or written. The results from applying transformations to the deep structure. These transformations include operations such as movement, example, moving an auxiliary verb to the beginning of a sentence to form equations, deletions, insertions, and substitutions. The last or the fourth is transformation. Transformational rules modify the deep structure to generate the surface structure. Common transformations include, there is movement. The first is movement. Movement is moving element to different position. Example, John is eating an apple becomes, is John eating an apple? Through subject auxiliary inversion. The second is deletion, omitting certain elements. Example, I want to go can become I wanna go. The third is insertion, adding elements. Example, inserting do in question like do you know, do you like it, or something else. The last is substitutions, replacing elements with others. Example, pronouns replacing noun phrases. The next slide is example from deep structure. The first is deep structure. The boy is noun phrase, is reading as a verb phrase, and the book is a noun phrase. And the sentence is the boy is reading a book. For transformation, moving the auxiliary is to form a question. And then the surface structure is the boy reading a book. This is example for the deep structure. The next slide is importance of deep structure. The first is semantic interpretation. The deep structure provides a clearer representation of the meaning and relationship in a sentence, making it crucial for understanding and interpreting sentences accurately. The second is linguistic universals. Deep structure are believed to be more uniform across languages, reflecting universal principles of grammar, while surface structure can vary significantly between languages. The next slide is topic number 2. There is surface structure. Surface structure in syntax refers to the way a sentence is structured on a surface level, where words and phrases are arranged following the rules of the syntax of a particular language. This is in contrast to deep structure, which refers to the underlying or abstract structure of a sentence. The surface structure specifies the exact grammatical relationship between the words in a sentence and is often represented by a tree diagram or a phrase structure tree. The next slide is key concepts in surface structure. The first is constituents. A constituent is a word or group of words that form a meaningful unit in a sentence. The constituents in a sentence determine the arrangement of words on the surface level. The second is structure. The structure in surface structure specifies the grammatical relationship between the constituents in a sentence. This includes concepts like subject, object, verb, and noun phrase. The third is order. The order of words matters in surface structure as it specifies the relationship between constituents and this influences the meaning of the sentence. The next slide is importance of surface structure. These have three. For the first is communication. The surface structure is what speakers and listeners use to communicate. It must adhere to the grammatical rules of language to be understood correctly. The second is variability. Different transformation can yield various surface structure from the same deep structure, allowing for different ways to express the same underlying meaning. For example, the cat catched the mouse, and the mouse was catched by the cat have different surface structure but similar depth structure. The third is linguistic analysis. Analyzing surface structure helps linguists understand the rules and patterns of language, including syntax, word order, and grammatical markers. The next slide is example of surface structures. For the first is declarative sentence. Deep structure is noun phrase is the dog, verb phrase is chess, and noun phrase is the cat. For surface structure is the dog chased the cat. The second is interrogative sentence. Deep structure is a noun phrase is a dog, verb phrase is chess, and noun phrase is the cat. Do is determiner and cat is a noun. And then transformation move auxiliary to the front. So for the surface structure, this the dog chased the cat, and then the third passive sentence. For deep structure, Sam, the dog is noun phrase and chase is verb phrase and the cat is noun phrase again. For transformation, move the object to the subject position, add auxiliary was and change the verb form. So for the surface structure, the cat was chased by the dog. There is example for surface structure. Surface structure along with deep structure provides a comprehensive understanding of How sentences are formed and interpreted in natural language. By analyzing both deep and surface structure, linguists can gain insight into the underlying principle of language and how different languages express similar ideas through various syntactic forms. Next, for part 2, there is diagram 3 for the question. And the question is, for the sentence, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. There is sentence. And sentence have noun phrase and verb phrase. For noun phrase, there is do is determiner, quick is adjective, brown is adjective, and fox is adjective. And then for verb phrase, jumps is a verb phrase have preposition phrase. Over is a preposition, and then preposition phrase has a noun phrase again. The is determiner, lazy is an adjective, and dog is a noun. The second is the girl who is wearing a red dress is dancing. There is sentence. For the noun phrase, the is determiner, girl is a noun. And then noun phrase have a subject again. In the noun phrase, there is relative pronoun, who is a relative pronoun. And then subject have verb phrase, is wearing is a verb to be and verb ing. And then verb phrase have noun phrase, is a determiner, red is adjective, and dress is a noun. And then for verb phrase, is a verb, and dancing is a verbing. Next, the third is, the sentence is Zephano saw the Yehezkiela with the telescope. For the noun phrase, just has one noun is a Zephano. Zephano is a noun. Of course, we put in the noun phrase. And then for verb phrase, so is a verb. And then do is determiner from noun phrase. Yehezkiela is a noun. And then noun phrase have preposition phrase. With is a preposition. The is determiner. Telescope is a noun. For the fourth, she believes that the earth is round. There is a sentence. Sentence have noun phrase and verb phrase. For noun phrase, there is just have one noun. There is she. She is a noun. And then for verb phrase, believes is a verb plus as, and verb phrase have noun phrase again. That is a determiner, and in the noun phrase have a sentence in second sentence. Sentence have a noun phrase again. Do is determiner because it that do again, so we use sentence the second sentence in the noun phrase. The is determiner, earth is a noun, and for verb phrase is a verb, and round is an adjective. The last is the house where I grew up has been demolished. There is sentence. For noun phrase, do is determiner, house is a noun, and then Sam for the number 4 have a subject in the noun phrase because there is a relative pronoun. Where is a relative pronoun? I is a noun and grew is a verb, up is a preposition. And then for the verb phrase, has is a verb, and then have verb phrase again. Verb is a been, and demolished is a verb 3. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you and thank you.